Hi everybody, it's Gina. Welcome back to Rise and Shine in Idaho, my channel. So did I ever mention to you that chickens love zucchini? All right, they're gonna get the morning grub today is zucchini. So let's go and give them some zucchini. Open the gate. Come on, open the gate, Gina. Okay. All right, hi everybody. Are you waiting for your morning grub? Hi, come on everybody. Come on. Come here, look. Come here. Okay, so what I did is I found a huge zucchini in my zucchini plant. It was just like massive. I didn't even know it was there because my zucchini plant is so big. And then I had a couple of little zucchinis that were just sitting in my vegetable basket, and I chopped those up and I put it in my little food processor. So I made it to where it's, you know, doable for them, so that they don't have to have too many chunks. Okay, come here. I'm gonna spread it out. Come here. There. All right. Okay. Sorry about that. All right. You guys like zucchini? Yeah. Hard to do these things one-handed, right? One-handed. Hold a camera. Oh, they're going after it. I put my bowl down and now that's eating in luxury, isn't it? Yeah. It's supposed to get hot here again. So the chickens have fresh water every day. They need fresh water. And do we have one laying an egg over here? Let's see. Okay, so I put down the padding in the corner, and these chickens, so funny. Here's part of the padding. Ah, jeez. They're just funny. They're just funny. Okay, there's right here. So I'm just gonna, they make it their own. And if I mess with it, they're like, no, that's not how I like it. They're like little teenagers. They like their bedroom just like they like it, right? And we as parents go in and try and fix it or give them suggestions, and they're like, no. That's the way chickens are, I swear. Hey, I really should put a pad in there because they like going in there. But I tried once and they just drug it out. It's not where they wanted it. We have apples. And they like apples, and so there's a couple of these apples that are like, have a little bruising on them. So I'm just gonna throw these out there so they can nibble on them. Hey. Yeah, you guys can just peck away at those apples. Yeah. Here. There's a few of them. Yeah, there they go. They love the apples. Apples and zucchini. Oh, look at me. Love those apples. They'll just chomp on those all day. And we'll try and keep them cool today. We have the mister. Yeah. There's still some zucchini, you guys. They love those apples. So here's our mister right there. And it basically, you can see where it goes right here. So they congregate in here when it's really, really hot. And the mister kind of just keeps them nice and cool. Yeah. Is that apple good? Yeah, looks like it. All right. Hey, Stu and Judy. They are, actually those two are my smallest chickens. This Judy, she's like a banta, but she's not. She came with the rest of them. Yeah. All right. Morning grub. Done. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.